Welcome to my very first video on YouTube. What we are going to create today is this Unsplash card, which you get when you download an image from there. I can show you real quick. This is Unsplash. I guess some of you probably know that. It's a super awesome platform, like very talented people on here. Basically, go and download, and that's the kind of, you could call it a credit card. They're basically saying to credit the photographers if you want to. You're not, like, you don't have to, but you can. And that's basically what we're going to create today with HTML and CSS. I'm not going to include the JavaScript involved in this copy button or this remove button. We could do that in another video though, so if you want to see that, just give me a thumbs up and comment that down below. Also, before we begin, I'm not a native English speaker, so if I mess up here and there, I'm sorry, but I'm trying my best. Okay, let's just start by setting up a new directory. Let's just call it Unsplash credits, and let's open up a new window in Atom. Minimize that one, and let's just drop that in here. So there are a few files we need, of course. Our index.html. We'll need our, oh yeah, I'm writing my CSS in Sass, and I'm going to compile it with CodeKit. But like, if you haven't touched Sass before, that's not a big deal. It's just a little different syntax, and there are different features you have that are not available in like standard CSS. But I'm not going to use those today. And this project is going to be up on GitHub, so you can also check out the normal CSS if you want to. But this time, yeah, I'm going to write Sass. So what we're going to need is a new folder called CSS and a new folder called Sass. Inside the Sass folder, we want our style.sass, and that's the file that's going to be compiled with CodeKit to normal CSS. I can show you guys. Just have to quickly add this project. It's an Unsplash card. No, Unsplash credits. Yep. And you can see this is the Sass file, and it's going to be compiled into this path right here. Now if I, for example, style the body like that, you will see this style.css, which is just normal CSS. I don't have to use brackets or semicolons, which is nice. And that's also one of the main reasons why I use Sass. Like, I don't have to. For example, variables are also available in CSS nowadays, but yeah, that's what I like to do. It's a lot cleaner, I guess. Alright, what do we need other than that? I think that's it. If I need anything else, I'm going to pick it up along the way, I guess. I guess we can start. I'm using CodeKit also for my live reload. Just one click and this is our page. Just quickly check if that works. Yep, works. Awesome. We can remove that one. And let's start with the shortcuts. Won't need that, won't need that. Let's call this Unsplash credits. And we are going to start with a simple, for my markup I'm using emit, which allows me to write things like .card, then tab key, and it's going to expand to a div with a class of card, which is really cool. And you can also do things like unordered list, and inside it I want 3 LIs with a class of item, for example. Boom. It's super cool. You can definitely check that out. It's an Atom extension. But okay, back to the main topic. We have this card class, which is going to represent the card itself. I don't know why it doesn't update itself. Just give me a second, please. Yes, not working. And now we should be good. Let's test that again. Test. Yep, now it works. Hello. Sorry guys, I'm a little nervous, but no worries. Got this. Okay. Let's just first write down our markup and afterwards style everything. I think it's practical if I just use this as a template. Oh no, that doesn't work. Well, then we're going to use Unsplash itself. Just like that. Okay. Now we need to open up the proper project again. And now we are good. So we have this card, which is the whole item itself. Then we're going to need an image wrapper with the icon in it, which is this. Like, this is the image wrapper, and this is going to be the icon. We're going to use a background image to place that photo there, and the icon is going to be an SVG icon, which I can get from here. I'll put this up on GitHub, as I said. You can get it from there. Okay, that's basically for the image, and then I create one wrapper for the text content. Let's call it text wrapper, and we can split this up into 3 main sections. So you can see we have this header kind of thing, then this paragraph, and then this actual credit kind of banner. So let's create a header, then call it a paragraph. Sorry guys, paragraph wrapper with a P, and we can call the last one the credit wrapper, like that. Inside the header we need say that's in H3, says say thanks, and we need another wrapper for the icons, icon wrapper, and I'm going to use FontAwesome for that. Going to grab that from right here as well. You can also grab it online. It's not a big deal. That's not the correct one. That's what we are making. Alright. Let's comment that. Style sheets. There we go. Oh, also, of course, need to link our CSS file. It's called style.css, and it's in the CSS folder. Okay. I'm going to also grab the icon classes from my projects, which are these two. Okay, so we have this icon wrapper with these two FontAwesome icons in it. It's basically just it's a link with an href to Facebook and Twitter, and inside we have this italics element with the classes of FontAwesome for Facebook and Twitter. So that's that. Then we also need this whole thing here. Take that and just keep it a little cleaner. That. And we can see that this is a link, so embed a credit badge and use an A. Let's fill out the links later and just give it a class of link, because we'll have this times and can style to the correct color, like right there, there, and there. After that, we have this credit wrapper, which is going to be basically this wrapper right here. And then I'm going to create an element called credit, which is going to be the box itself. And inside there, I'll have a span of this text. It just says Unsplash right there. Unsplash, let's shorten that so it fits in our demo. And after that comes the copy button. Which just says copy, and if it just says copy, we can also shorten that up. Like that. Guess that's everything for now. It's just an app, I'm not going to create that. Okay, let's start then with our CSS. Guess I can hide that. Basically, I'm going to make it a little larger so you guys can see. Want to see the body? Yeah. Okay. For the body, I'm going to say height 100 pixels, 100 default height units, and 100 default width units. So we have the whole screen to work with. And I am going to create a new class and I'm calling it flex center. It will be display flex, justify content center, and align items. Oops. Center. This will basically take a flex or children of a flex parent and center it inside the parent. And I created a class for that because we're probably going to use this multiple times in this tutorial. And what I can do with Sass is say extend dot flex center. And if we look that up in our CSS now, you can see, yeah, you can see that the body also got selected right here, so it also has these properties. That's pretty cool, so we don't have to repeat ourselves multiple times here. Yeah, and I'm using the flex center on the body to center this thing inside here. As you can see, it's already centered. Cool. Now, next up, we're going to style the card, I guess. So, let's see. This is PageRuler. It's a Chrome extension for like measuring elements. Let's say 500 times 210. Height 110 pixels with 500 pixels. Okay. Yep. And it does not have a border, but it seems to have a box shadow, I guess. Yeah, it does. So let's grab this box shadow with CSS Peeper if it works. Would be cool. Oh, really? Okay. Well, we can also, of course, use our DevTools for that. Let's see. Yep. Have to find the right item. There we go. This is our box shadow. From 0 to 6 pixels blur, and let's keep it like that. See, and we can see our little pops. Awesome. We also have border radius on it, I guess. 4 pixels. Border radius 4 pixels. I can close that, I think. Cool. I think image wrapper and text wrapper. Okay, guys, now we need to set display flex on it. And you can already see that it has flex direction row, because this is our image wrapper. I can show you the DevTools. So this is our image wrapper, and this is our text wrapper, and they are aligned next to each other. That means if you set display flex, it automatically or by default has flex direction row, which is exactly what we want, because as you can see, it's left and then to the right we have the content. itself. So that's good. What I want to do next is set up the background image for the image wrapper. So go image wrapper, background, background image. We're going to use the URL, which I'm going to grab from this project again. This. Yep. Replace that. That's basically just a link to the image itself, and it's shortened with this Google thing shortener tool. So, let's see what this looks like. Of course, guys, this is now not the image of Mr. Grinsbrook. It's by someone else, but well, actually, let's change that real quick. It's not really how it's supposed to be. We need Osman Ghana. That's him. Alright, in here we're going to change this to Osman Ghana. This is his image. Now we're going to set the flex property. So let's try to that thing. See, we have to, let's do text wrapper flex 1 and 1. I could make them 50-50, but it doesn't. Let's see. This and this and this. Yep. You can now see that since we gave them like the text wrapper and the image wrapper have flex 1, they are now sharing the space by 50% each. And that's what we want, but for some reason when I set this thing, oh, now it works. Alright, let me check if that's because of no. Yeah, no, probably problem with libraries like that. Let's set some other background properties. Background size, color, and background repeats, no repeats. See, cool. We also, of course, need to make it smaller, so let's try 1.5. Actually, guys, I'm now realizing that we can also use fixed values for that, because let's say we have a screen which resizes. Let's see how Unsplash does that. It just goes with it, its position absolutely doesn't scale, so we can also use fixed values for that. Okay, so let's do heights, or let's just specify the width to see with our ruler. The width of 140 pixels. Yes, 360 pixels to make 500. Yeah, I guess that's alright. Oops. Wait, of course. Okay, actually, I don't think we have to specify that. No, we have. Okay, guys, you see I'm also not a pro, but I know a few things and I'm just making this out of fun. Maybe some of you can learn something along the way. If you want to know more about me, let me know in the comments. We can now, and we have that. Yeah, maybe we can set background position center. Yeah, I think that's better. Now we can fix up this icon. What we need to do, as you can see right here, it is a wide arrow, and it's a little smaller, I guess. Is it actually? Let's check out. Yeah, it looks a little smaller to me, and kind of white grayish. So in SAS we can select the SVG by saying image wrapper, and then we're going to indent the SVG selector, which is going to look for image wrapper and then the SVG inside it. And we can say fill, and now look for the fill color of that with color slurp. I love this app, it's really helpful. Like that. Don't know if you guys can hear that, but I love the sound. It's so funny. Okay. Nice. Right there. Let's check if that has worked. Yep. Good. And we can make it smaller by saying transform scale 0.8 should do. Alright, and let's implement the hover effects later, guys. Now next up is the header. First of all, we need to fix up the layout a little here. You can see that the icon wrapper is under the headline, which is not the way it should be. It should be next to each other. And if you guys were listening, I said that you can use display flex, which by default uses flex direction row, which is exactly what we want. So let's check out if that works. We need the header, and just select it like that. This is the only header element in our HTML, in this case at least. And we can say display flex. Boom, works, kind of. It's not aligned yet, so we can use align items center, which aligns them horizontally, right? Yep, horizontally. Let's now specify. Oh, actually, can apply some styles on all elements like font family, Helvetica. I'm not even sure if that's what they use. Let's use font face ninja for that. No, it's actually San Francisco. But yeah, yes, let's just use Helvetica. Let us also set the color to hashtag 111, which I looked up earlier. That's what Unsplash uses, I think. And let's also use box sizing, border box. Okay. Oh, actually, I'm now seeing a little problem. And that is that right here, our border doesn't show up, but it's not rounded like it is right here. That's because the image wrapper itself doesn't have a border radius, but we could fix that by saying overflow hidden, I think. Yep, that works. Cool. We also need some slight margin on the cross icon. Let's try 10 pixels to move it in a little. Yeah, I think that's alright. Maybe 7. Okay. 6 should be. Yep. Now for the font size of this element, let's see. Oh shit. My laptop is kind of sluggish right now. Oh yeah, probably because I'm recording this. I have never done this before, as I said. Let's see, CSS people, please. Tell me the font size of this element. It doesn't. Oh, it does. 17.55. Alright. Say 18. Oh, yeah, 18. Okay. Header H3 font size 18 pixels. Okay. Now we also need to say, because these icons, they are in a wrapper, so they always stay together, but we need to separate them from the save banks. One has to be on the left side, one on the right here. You can do that with justify content, space around maybe. No, let's do space between. It's probably better, and then we can check out the padding. Wow, what's going on? I'm sorry guys, I'm so sorry. Load. Okay. Hopefully. I'm already learning something. Next time I'll measure these things beforehand and just write them down so we can copy them. Okay, that's 17 pixels. So on the header we're going to use a padding of 0, 17 pixels, so 0 top and bottom and 17 for left and right padding. Yep, works. Cool. Now for the icon wrapper, inside of icon, we have to insert the margins between the icons. Let's try first child, because I find that it sometimes doesn't work the way you want it to. So margin right 10 pixels. Try. Yep, didn't work. Why is that? Maybe we have to select A, and then yep, cool. So we're selecting the icon wrapper, then the A's inside them, and the first A element, that's the first child, gets margin right 10 pixels, which looks about right to me. Yeah, cool. And the A's also need color of I just accidentally stopped the recording of my screen because I wanted to access something up here in the status bar, but whatever. Just going to continue right now. Okay, where have we been? We wanted to... Yeah, we wanted to quickly get the color of those icons. It's 999. Okay. Sounds ridiculous. Let's see. Wait, what? You a icon wrapper. Let's see. Let's try. Just that does not work. Because we're not styling the A's, but we just style the italics element for the icons, like that. Maybe that works. See? Yay! Cool. Awesome. Next up is the wait. So get that. Looks good. Now for the paragraph. We need wrapper, and we want to select the key. Let's first adjust the line height. That's why I'm always guessing these. Let's see, is that good? 25 probably. Okay, 25. Let's see where this breaks at N and at copy. Let's just adjust the max or the width. Oops. The width. Way too small. Yep. 400. 300. 350. A little less. 330. Like that. Awesome. Also, I'm just realizing we could do this a little smaller. You can see that we have consistent padding right here, so we can use a padding of 17 pixels on the text wrapper itself instead of giving it to the single elements like that. Now I'm wondering some kind of the H3. Okay. We can also set every element to have margin 0 and padding 0. That would probably help with keeping things clean. Yay! That's better, I think. That's better. Now we can also set the header, the paragraph wrapper, and the thread wrapper to have flex 1. Actually, no, not flex, but let's hard code that again. height 50 pixels maybe. That's too much for you. Second, the paragraph wrapper needs the height. What in punctuation? Don't know that. Okay, let's see, height 100 pixels. Okay, let's also make this paragraph wrapper display flex and align items, not content. What? Oh, it's just a flag. Let's see. Ah, okay, I see. Then we want the paragraph wrapper for the height. Okay. Now align items. Yep, there we go. And 100. 120. Around that. Let's check this out again. And we have to style our link. Which we will do via the class.links. Color, I think we can use the 999 to keep it consistent, and I guess we can use 999 on the SVG as well. Ooh, no, actually not. That's too dark. Oh, sorry guys. So we got that now. Okay, cool, that works. God, it's turned off. Okay, cool. Let's turn this off completely. Now work on that thing, on the credit wrapper. So the credit wrapper itself, I'm not going to touch that for now, but the dot credit thing needs the background color. Not the wrong this one. Oh god, I need to check if I can change that. This color is what we need. But yep, that works. And it also has a border. Or is that my box shadow inset? It's like a border to me. And I can only guess the color on that one, I think. Or can I actually select it? Let's see this. Oh, yeah, I can actually see it. Cool. Let's close that. Border. 1 pixel solid. This color. Nice. Border radius. Let's see if 4 pixels look correct. Yeah, it does. Okay, nice. Now this credit thing also needs display flex because of our default flex direction row. So we have our little copy button, which does not look like a button, and our text in one line. Let's then check the height of this thing. 47. Let's just use 47. Heights 47 pixels. Cool. And align items center to align them vertically. Oh, it's actually vertically and not horizontally. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. Okay, so let's start the button. Button copy. Button. It has a background, white background, slight border, slight box shadow, I think. Okay. Background, white box, border. Oh man, that's let's check color slip. See, can we also select that border? Ooh. Oh, it's the same. No, see me. Okay. Let's check. Ooh. We also need some padding. 5 pixels and border radius 4 pixels again. Cool. And we need to adjust that 5 pixels, 8 pixels maybe. A little more. 10. Nice. Looks better, looks better. I think I've changed the font weight to, let's see, 400. Does that work? Okay, that both. It is too much. Well, let's just keep it at that. Change the color to, I think it's this color. Oh no. Is that a different color? Let's check. Oh no, it's R999 color again. Okay. Just wondering why are we tight on space right there? Ah, we didn't set the font size of the paragraph and stuff. Let's see. Check out the font size. Oh heck, it's so slow. Okay, dev tools are too slow today. Use this instead. I just need the font size 15 pixels. Okay, so the P needs a font size of 15 pixels. Let's see if I can. Yeah. And the credits, if we give credit of font size. No. Yeah. Paste copy button also. I think so. Nope. But what we need is on the credit classmates flag. I mean justify the contents basically. So we get that. But I'm also, or let's try space around maybe. Yeah, that works. Let's see. Looks like the button has equal padding right around there. Oh god. Yeah, looks pretty good to me actually. Think can keep it. Oh, come on. You know what? I could have also taken a screenshot of that. That would have been easy, I think. Okay, download. Just give me a second to dismiss that. So, photo, yeah, it's pretty tight there as well. Yeah, it's not perfect, I think. Let's fix the more obvious problem. Just heading down there. So, what we can do is give the credit wrapper a hint. Say 100. Just way too much, but just go from there. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry guys. We can also just fix the height of the paragraph. Yeah. Perfect. 110. 110 looks good to me. Put that right there. It's coming together, guys. This looks good. Yeah, I'm good with that. It looks pretty much like it. Let's see. Okay, we can quickly work on the hover effects. Oh, I forgot. We also need this link class like that, this one. We also need it on Osman Rana. So let's do a tab. I'm gonna link that later. Class link. Put this beautiful name. Alright guys, there are only a few little details left that we have to finish up, and yeah, let's just continue. So we have to add a link to Unsplash. That's something we forgot. I'm going to add this later and give it a class of link.
and we'll just copy and paste it there. Let's see, Chrome. Yep, we also got that. Now let's quickly head over to Unsplash again. Woohoo. I'm just noticing whenever I record stuff, my laptop is really getting super slow. And also the fans tend to kick in, so in case that's annoying, definitely tell me. And yeah, I apologize for that. Come on, download. Yep. Alright, there it is. Let's see, we got that, okay. Let's see. Yep, we basically got everything except for the hover effect. So let's work on the icons first. Let's clean that up. So the icons, that's right here. We'll add to the italics elements a hover, and they should change their color to #111. That's that. Now let's add a little transition to it, make it look a bit better. There we go. Nice. Now for the button, copy button, same thing, hover, and we'll change the color to 111 and the border to 1 pixel solid, and also 111. I think that's the hover effect we got. Let's see. Also need cursor pointer like that. It's not border radius. I'm sorry, guys. It's border. And a transition. Again, same thing. 0.4 is good. Okay, let's quickly. Yeah, that looks pretty good to me. Nice. Now for the links, let's see what they do here. Okay, same color. Let's see, link should on hover get a color of 111, and I'm not going to write that out again, like that. Let's see. Nice. Alright guys, basically the last thing we need to do is add this hover effect for the like hide arrow. It has to become white when we hover over it, but that's not a big deal. What we gotta do is, there it is. This is our SVG, and we simply do hover fill. FFF, and we also, let me check. Yep, we'll also add a transition of all 0.4 seconds each. Let's check it out. Awesome. The last thing we can add is pointer, cursor. Oh, whoop. Why did that not work? Cursor. Oh, my fault, I'm sorry. It's cursor, pointer. It's the other way around, of course. Awesome. I think this wraps up this video. If you enjoyed it, leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like that, I plan on continuing with these kind of videos. Definitely subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!